Hello, I'm Liz Lumley, and we're here at InsurTech Rising in London. And today I'm speaking to Elena Rasa of Zurich. How are you?
Good.
Very
Thank you.
good.
Thank you.
So
for
we're going
having
to
me.
talk. We're going to talk a bit about underwriting,
Yep.
which is of course very important in insurance. So a lot of research points to traditional underwriting being under threat by new trends in insurance, and of course InsurTech entrance, which is the main topic of this conference. What do underwriters need to do to stay ahead of some of these market changes?
I think the biggest part of this being part and being ahead of market trends is being more focused on data. So being more and more data driven and making sure that all business decisions go through data. So insurance companies and underwriters specifically need to use this source of information more and more. InsurTech then becomes the enabler to do so. So we listen to domotics, telematics, wealth bracelets and so on. So the Internet of Things approach that needs to become the enabler for making the business better and better going forward.
I mean, there is obviously a lot of really rich data that insurance companies can use. There's another word, that sort of topic that's talked a lot about in insurance, which is customer focused. Are we gonna see the industry move to see more customer focused underwriters?
Absolutely. I think we're not so bad in the retail space. I think most of the insurance companies are badly trying to get a more focused type of approach. We're not doing so well in the small, medium enterprises where data are lacking most of the time, while on the other side, on the large accounts, we're doing a very good job. That's a very customer focused, where we visit the companies, we know everything about what they're doing, how they're doing it, and so on. So the trick is to use data intensively, and this will allow you to be on top of it also in the small enterprises world where there's a lack of information right now.
Okay. You mentioned a little bit about telematics and Internet of Things. So the other part of InsurTech is the tech. So what are some of the technological advances that underwriters need to be aware of?
I think all the new tech devices needs to be well understood by the underwriters to see if there's potential to serve the customers even better than we are doing now. So it's absolutely crucial to go to events like this one where you can actually see what startups or companies, technological companies are offering. And the trick is to make sure that we really understand where we can use them and then try to really adopt them is a different story. It takes time, but at least knowing what could be of an advantage for, to be a good way to do business it's absolutely crucial.
Isn't that the real sort of point of looking at technology? Find out what your pain points are first,
Exactly.
And then see if there's a technology out there to solve it.
Absolutely. I can say, in the space of claims, obviously underwriting will come afterwards. There are a lot of opportunities. And it's crucial for us to actually understand what companies can adopt them. So it's like us becoming or starting to be more than underwriters, a business partner with the companies that we're going to insure, trying to make sure they understand where the pain points are, like cyber. Cyber is very popular these days. And to make sure that we help our customers to really understand, identify, and then solve issues in the different spaces with new technologies.
Excellent. Elena, thank you very much. Have a good show.